Vikas, can you start?
Yes, certainly.
Yes. So,
Let's
hello,
start.
ma'am. Welcome to this platform. We are interns of Dorai Foundation, Shweta, Abhay, and Vikas. So, very first question will be, can you introduce yourself to us?
I'm Gitanjali Singh, and I'm the owner of a school, and I've sustained that only.
Okay, ma'am. So, my first question would be, how do you feel about special kids as they are not, like a normal child? What do you think about them? Do they have future in reality, or you think that how people think कि अरे इसका तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता, he's gonna be, he or she are gonna be like this only?
Look, dear Shweta, your question is very good. As such, even I am having two special kids, which are very much autistic, and we are also dealing with the same situations, and we have to keep very much patience while dealing those type of students. As talking about the future, that it is like we cannot think कि future नहीं है. We have to keep our things positive always. We have to keep the notes on the positive thought because we cannot say no to anything. Everything is possible. There is no word like impossible. There is I am possible. So we have to work hard. We have to work hard for that, and certainly it is not an easy joke, or it is a difficult task to deal with them because they are having very much talents, so many talented students you can see, but the thing is they need a right path, right direction, and patience. Only with patience you can deal with them. Without patience it is not possible to understand them.
So ma'am,
Okay,
when and how did you get associated with the Dorai Foundation?
To my son, he's also as working with them, and so many students I found that I used to visit to the schools of special students, that is Sai Baba school somewhere in Ulhasnagar. I visited there also, and so many parents come to me to take admission for their children, and but it is not possible for me to take all the students. As such, we are having normal students also, and it is not possible for me to accommodate more than two students. As such, they need a special care.
Right.
Ma'am, what
Okay,
was
ma'am. So, my,
yes, yes.
okay, Vikas, you can go.
Ma'am, what was this journey taught you yourself as a mother?
Being a mother, all children are same because love never differentiate between the children,
Correct.
isn't it?
Absolutely.
He is my child, he is his child. If you are giving love, love don't know any boundary. Love and affection needs that. Okay, you need love. आपको जिसके ऊपर प्यार आ रहा हो वो सब प्यारे लगते हैं.
जी.
उसमें ये नहीं हो he doesn't know this, he doesn't know this, he doesn't look beautiful, or he doesn't walk nicely, or he doesn't speak nicely. If you want to love, being a mother, all children are very beautiful, and all children are very cool and sweet to the mother. We cannot differentiate for love that nahi, this child is not good for a mother, or mother cannot think about it. So I always treat my students as my own children.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So, ma'am, my next question would be, what do you think about society? Has they grown up about things or thinking of the special children? Like, some people look to them very differently and in other ways. So, what are your thoughts about it?
Shweta, this question is very good. Actually, the society still needs an improvement. There is no acceptance in the society. Some people are still there. Those things like, अगर उनके पास भी अगर वो बच्चा आ जाता है, अरे 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 इसको तो ये आता नहीं है, अरे हमारे बच्चे को मार देगा. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't. It is not good. If you are saying this in front of the children who doesn't know how to treat with the children, because these students are never harming to anyone. I have seen that until and unless they just want love from you.
Yeah.
But the society is nahi, अभी भी acceptance तो नहीं है मैम. There is still they need more acceptance because
But
if this
do you feel, ma'am, is there an improvement with the time since you started to now?
Yeah, you can say, is next generation like we all are thinking and improving about it?
Yes, as the education is going on, as the people are understanding, because what I have noticed in this during this period, this era, many children with the optimistic or autism deficiency, you can say whatever the hormonal imbalance are present. The increment, the ratio of these type of students are increasing day by day instead of earlier days. So definitely this will come that the society will accept them. They have to
With
because
the upcoming generation and the people,
they are more
they are exploited to more things that are not healthy for them. So the children, with the people having more acceptance, children are also becoming more abnormal. Do you feel that?
that is vice versa. As such, the new generation is more educated, more futuristic, and more they are having more knowledge about this, so they
Yeah.
accept this as in instead of ignoring these circumstances, they used to accept this that yes, this is an hormonal disbalance. Yeah, and whatever the issue is, scientific reasons are there. But earlier,
Yeah.
the people used to think they are more optimistic. They says that comes of God, या कुछ भी ऐसा अंधविश्वास ज्यादा था. But now, as such, people are learning, going towards the education more. They are becoming literate. They understand that this is the scientific issue, not in the curse of God.
Right.
Okay.
But do
So,
you feel
ma'am,
that is the generation ready, or they do not put their thoughts into so much things that like people have bad habits, they do not take care of their health very much, even women smoke and all those things. So we ourselves are not preparing ourselves for the upcoming generation that our children can also be turned out to be like this.
Um, Mr. Abhay, the thing what you have questioned is, I think what I am understanding, you are saying about the rules, this societies, the means want to say the new generation is very much careless
Yes,
or not
well,
following,
pretty much.
isn't it? Am I getting
Yes,
right to you? Or
yes,
okay.
yes.
Yes, certainly the food habits, the daily routine definitely makes effect on this,
Mhm.
isn't it? I think you are very much mature to understand all these things. As such, during earlier times, the people have the definite timings for sleeping and eating food. But now, due to workload, or you can say flexible working hours, the punctuality is not there. The discipline of the life is not there. That is very necessary to keep your body cool and calm. The body is tight like a machine. As we have to fuel every time, or we have to take care of the machines, we have to take care of ourselves.
Yes.
Then only we will get the best. What we used to do, we used to water the root instead of watering the leaves. Why we don't
Wood.
water the leaves? Because it doesn't affect the.
it's not useful to water leaves.
It's useless, na?
Yeah.
Like this, we have to water ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to make a routine, proper routine while eating, sleeping, taking a walk or exercising, working hours. It should be in typical manners. So whenever the
Right. If
routine
we
will
are
be
healthy, then only with the upcoming generation.
actually to get the healthier fruit, obviously you have to water the fruits, not the leaves.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So my last question would be, what message do you want to give to the moms, teachers, working hard for their children, not even special children, but also their normal children. What a common message you want to give to everyone, which we can take it forward?
Yeah, certainly. First of all, I would like to say that please let the children keep away from the mobile phones. Let them not use these electronic gadgets as such. It is very much harmful for them. One of
Actually,
the
you're the first
most
person saying
difficult,
this. We took almost 10 interviews
actually,
in a day and nobody said this.
what I find, beta, it is very difficult for a child to cope up out from the mobile phone because these electronic
Right.
gadgets, as you in that, they are having very harmful rays, which are very much
Right.
affecting to their mind, brain, sensitive organs. Every sensory organ is connected to them, and they put all their concentration on this phone while they are having food, while they're talking. They don't want anyone else except food.
Correct.
So I should
Right.
say that I should need a very big step to take. Parents, what used to do, they don't have time. They used to give phone, but very easy method, and the child get engaged in that. I just
Right.
hate this.
जैसे मेरी एक भतीजी है, उसको इतना टीवी की आदत डाल दी है, शी इज जस्ट एन ईयर ओल्ड, अभी उसको खाना खिलाना है तो टीवी ऑन करना ही पड़ेगा, विदाउट वॉचिंग टीवी शी विल नॉट ईट इवन वन स्पून ऑफ फूड, सो दैट हैज बिकम अ वेरी हार्मफुल थिंग.
Now we
आवाज
can
में
say, Abhay, that is घर घर की कहानी. टीवी जब तक ऑन नहीं हो रहा है, the kid is not eating a food.
श्वेता मैम, व्हाट हैपनिंग, मैं अपने प्री स्कूल की बात बता रही हूँ. इन एवरी डे पेरेंट्स आर कमिंग एंड कंप्लेनिंग अस द चाइल्ड इज नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन द थिंग्स, दे डोंट मेक आई कॉन्टैक्ट्स, दे डोंट लिसन टू मी. हम उसको आवाज दे रहे होते हैं, वो नहीं सुनता है, वो फोन में रहता है. मैंने फोन उसको कैसे पता चला, आप बताइए. फोन वो लेकर पैदा नहीं हुआ था,
Correct.
उसको नहीं फोन क्या चीज है. आप बताइए, आप when you think about your childhood, do you know what the phone is? No.
We don't know.
Earlier, the child who grow with their parents, grandparents, they used to play down, they used to play with many things. Either it can be utensils, it can be shoes, can be pencil, eraser, books, newspapers even. But now, they use only phone. They know everything, every operation, how to handle a smartphone. Even we don't know applications. They know it.
Right.
They use
Advancement of
to
technology is good for people.
Yesterday, my niece came with the phone, and inside the phone there was one car, and she showed me and told me कि दीदी मुझे बर्थडे पे ये गिफ्ट चाहिए. I was like, तुझे कैसे पता चला कि फोन में से क्या खरीदते हैं हम? She was like, नहीं मुझे सब पता है.
रात 9 o'clock पर मेरे पास एक पेरेंट का फोन आता है. The question was कि मैम काइंडली कन्विंस माय चाइल्ड. एज सच ही वाज स्क्रॉलिंग सम रील, और उसमें उसने देखा कि एक बच्चे को किडनैप करके ले जाया जा रहा है चॉकलेट देकर. तो वो बहुत डर गया है. तो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज, व्हाई यू अलाउड हिम, a 3-year-old child, to watch the reels? Secondly, if let's suppose वो वॉच कर रहा है, तो यू शुड टेक केयर ऑफ हिम कि क्या देख रहा है बच्चा. उसके बाद आप उसको ये बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं तुम्हारे स्कूल में नहीं होगा ऐसा. दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे टू टीच देम. आप एक तरफ उसको कन्विंस कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा होता है, दूसरी तरफ आप उसको दिखा रहे हैं कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो आप ये बताइए आपको समझाना क्या है, व्हाट लेसन यू वांट टू गिव हिम.
Correct.
At night they used to tell me like this, these type of things happens in our school.
Sure,
I
ma'am.
guess we can conclude the session, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being over here and sending messages to everyone about everything, every love and care for every mother. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Here, even to talk with you. I think this message will go forward with many parents, and they will understand
Definitely.
what we are doing.
Yes,
because
ma'am.
देखिए
We will try our 100% to let other people reach
एक्चुअली
your message.
देखिए मैम, एक्चुअली आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि बीइंग एन यंग जनरेशन आप लोग जो है ना सोसाइटी को बहुत चेंज कर सकते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि ये चेंजेस आपके अंदर भी आने हैं।
जी जी
और बीइंग आप मदर, आप फादर बनेंगे तो आप ये सोचिए कि जब आपके साथ लेट्स सपोज ऐसा नहीं होगा, मगर लेट्स सपोज अगर आप उस कंडीशन में पहुंचते हैं, आपके पास ऐसा अनफॉर्चुनेटली बेबी आ जाता है, व्हाट योर कंडीशन विल बी। क्योंकि वो पेरेंट्स की हालत देखिए कि जो उसको पूरा सस्टेन करेंगे लाइफ पर। भाई आप उसको अबैंडन नहीं कर सकते, दिस इज द फैक्ट ऑफ द लाइफ।
Exactly. Absolutely true.
यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिम, कि वो खाना खा नहीं रहा है, हाउ यू हैव टू टेक मेक हिम ईट। वो चल नहीं पा रहा है, यू आर ऑलवेज वरीड अबाउट हिम और हर।
Ma'am, I'm not denying what you're saying, but I would like to add on a point to your points that still the generation is learning about things. They know about the diseases. They know about how it's gonna conclude. So they are a little bit more sensitive towards every affection, every interaction they are having. So they are not just blindly doing things, but they are having truthful interaction.
That's what I want. Let the people understand that what they are doing and what they are not, what they should not be doing. That is very necessary. If the person understands this, everything will be right. फिर ये चीजें होंगी ही नहीं, मीन्स कम हो जाएंगी, होंगी नहीं तो नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि दिस इज वेरी साइंटिफिक, होती है मगर रेशियो विल बी लेस।
definitely ma'am. Okay ma'am, with this we are ending the session. Thank you so much ma'am for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
थैंक
your
यू
time.
वेरी मच।